Bit about installing Homebrew and Packer. So we're on our handy dandy little MacBook Pro here, and I'm happy about it. And we're going to go brew, install Packer, and that should be it. That is all of the command that I saw. So that's simple. It will go through and do its brew update, auto update thing. I think we auto updated everything when I went ahead and installed Terraform earlier. But yeah, we're just going to sit here and we're going to go ahead and download a bunch of, man, it's cooking, sorta. Okay, this will take a minute, but that's all right. So again, one of those things, you kind of got to wait on the network, but once you got that network up and running, you're good. So remember our command was brew, install Packer, and we got that going. Take a minute. Man, hey, dude, that network's like cooking with gas today. Here, that was like a super small file. Man, I'll take it. I will take this bandwidth. Yes. Just give me all the bandwidth. Dude, this is great. All right. That's more like home, man. Pouring, done. And that's it. That's it. That's how to install Packer. That's great. Then we'll go through some commands later on, but that's the whole thing. All right, all my Mac users, let's do this. Install some Packer. Thanks. Bye.